How to see all your comments on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So, if you want to find all the comments that you have made on TikTok videos from your profile but don't know how, here's what you need to do. First, go ahead and log into your TikTok application. Make sure that the TikTok application is also up to date. Now, tap on the profile in the bottom right corner of the screen. You will come across your profile page. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on Settings and Privacy, that is below My QR Code. Once you do that, scroll down and tap on Activity Center, that is between Music and Content Preferences under Content and Display. Once you tap on that, this will take you to the Activity Center page. You will see various options of watch history, comment history, search history, ads, link history, mention history, and many more other options. We're looking for comment history, so we're going to go ahead and tap on the comment history that is between the watch history and search history. Tap on that. This will take you to your comment history page, and you can see the list of comments that you've made on different posts of people. If you want to delete any comment that you have done, go ahead and tap on that post, then tap on your comment, and then there you will see the option of delete. Go ahead and delete it, and you'll be done. So that's it. This is exactly how you can go ahead and see the comment history on TikTok. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.